If you are also very unhappy with your skin during this lockdown, this home remedy is for you guys. Add a teaspoon of besan, suji, and a few drops of fresh lemon juice, 4 drops for dry skin and 6 drops for oily skin, and honey. Mix it all very nicely and make a thick paste. The consistency should be this thick. Now keep it aside for some time. For people with dry to combination skin, massage your skin first with a nice hydrating gel or a cream. I am using Bio Oil's dry skin gel and massaging it very nicely into my skin in slow, soft circular motions. Now after massaging my skin for like good 5 minutes, I'll start applying the pack that we made. First apply it vertically upside down, then horizontally from left to right. Then apply it on rest of your face and scrub your lips with the remaining. Once it is completely dry, spray some water on your face and start massaging softly. Make sure you don't forget your neck. Now wash it off with cold water. Take a cotton pad and keep one ice cube in it. Press it gently on the areas you have puffiness and you have open pores. Let it dry naturally. Now I'm using a cheat sheet brightening mask by Sugar. It is very good for every skin type. And remember guys, it won't make your skin complexion fairer. It will only help to lighten your tan and give you a healthy looking glow. Now open and apply it as mentioned. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. And I like to drink something healthy while I'm waiting for the mask to work. Now I'm removing the mask and here I get a healthy glowy face. Do give this video a thumbs up if you really liked this video. You can also place your requests in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, see you in my next video.